There are three options for visualization of taxonomy labels. There are list view, tree view, and folder view. Now we are going to take a look at the tree view, which is the default view when you select taxonomy label. The tree map shows the complete structure of the taxonomy in a hierarchical tree-like visualization. Here, each leaf represents a taxonomy label, and the size of each node represents the number of documents that are tagged for this label. You can also apply the palette color setting for different labels, like what we're doing now. When you hover your mouse over the node, you can see detailed information for each label. You can also drag the tree to change its position, or use the plus or minus sign to zoom in and out